Hello everybody. In the very last video I gave a demonstration on how you convert a integer to a column letter, and I explained that in the next video I would be showing how to create a function. That way all you have to do in the future is write something like this: column letter is equal to get column letter by integer, and then all you do is you enter in the value that you want to be converted. So let me go on and show you how to get this started. This is the code from the previous video, and I'm going to have that code copied to my clipboard. I'm going to erase it here, but I'm going to have it on my clipboard, and I'm going to use that momentarily. So let me go on and show you a blank workbook. So let's just say this is your workbook. It's brand new, clear. You don't have any kind of macros in it. You're going to go to your Developers tab and go to Visual Basic. If you have a module to your left, by all means you can use that module. If not, you can create a new one, and that's going to be in the Visual Basic environment. You're going to go to where it says Insert User Form. You're just going to click the drop down menu and click module, not class module, but just module, and you'll have the module show up right here. You can right click the properties of the module. That's actually going to be in view properties, and you can change the module name if you'd like. You don't have to, but in module 1 I'm going to create a function here. I'm going to call this public function, and I said it's going to be get column letter by integer. And here we're going to ask the user to give us an integer. We'll say what number as integer, and then do a close parentheses, hit enter, and there the function is created. Now I'm going to get my clipboard and paste the data. So we have my column integer from the last video we put as equal to 50. We're just going to replace that 50 with what number. So now this code will auto execute, but at the very end, what you have to do at the very end of your function, you're going to put get column letter by integer is equal to, and then column letter, and we're going to be returning a string, so we're going to put as string. At the very beginning, you should write get column letter by integer is equal to nothing, that way to clear it out. And then towards the very end, once we actually have the column letter, we'll assign the variable to the column letter. And it looks like I didn't spell this right, forgot the N. Okay, so let's try this out. Right now would be a good opportunity though to pause your screen so you can take a look at the function, copy the code. I'm going to go to my sheet, and I'm going to draw a command button, and which I already have one here. I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to double click that, and I'm going to write the column is equal to get column letter by integer, and I'm just going to write the number 5, and we'll do message box the column. I'm going to play it, and we get the E. And so I'm going to just put this into a repetition statement. I'm going to do for rep is equal to, I'm going to start at 23, I'm going to go to 30. That way we can see this in action. We'll do message box the column, and then next rep. So let's just play this code out. I'm going to hit the command button, and I keep getting E, and this is the reason why I didn't change the integer. So here we're going to replace that with rep, and I'm going to need to declare rep as integer, dim rep as integer. The reason behind that is because we're specifically asking for an integer in this parameter, so you must declare that variable. So dim rep as integer, and that way we're going to replace the number that we had here with rep. And now that we play this should work properly now. Take us out of design mode and click the command button. Now we get W, X, Y, Z, then we should get AA, AB, AC, AD, and that completes it. So this now completes this video. Again, this video was to demonstrate how to create the function of get column letter by integer. If you wanted to get more explanation about this code, please review the previous video, which is titled VBA XL Converting Integer to Column Letter. I hope you all enjoyed this short video. Thank you for watching.